nice and neat for an easy storage in your fridge. And I just want to show you how nice and big this new container is, and this is the new extra large Fridgesmart. It keeps your produce fresh 3 to 4 times longer than what you would normally get with just setting it in the fridge. So if you've ever found yourself throwing away fresh produce items, these containers will definitely save you money on your grocery bill. You're not going to be throwing away things because you didn't have time to use them before they spoil. These are really going to maximize the storage life of, your lettuce, your cilantro, your mushrooms, your grapes, any of your fresh produce. The Tupperware Fridgesmart